Welcome to Haxby Shed. I have two small projects for the Shaper today. I was given a rather nice tripod, but the quick release plate at the top is missing. I looked on eBay and I found that they come in all sorts of sizes, and the one I wanted was 40mm by 40mm, and this is it. But perhaps you can see that either side there is a lug, which means as I slide the plate on, it needs to be relieved here and here with a bevel edge so that I can slide it in. And that's what I'm going to do now. So in planning this job then, I had three options to make these bevels on the side. I could file them, I could use the Shaper, or I could set up the milling adapter for the lathe. Well, filing's a bit rough. The milling adapter takes a lot of time to set up, and I really don't need that level of precision. So it's going to be a job for the Shaper. I need to check the angle of the bevel here, so just by using a 6-inch steel rule, put that on like that. That gives me the angle, which I've then used a protractor to set the same angle. You get the idea. And in doing this bit of work, I've got some expectations to live up to, because my son, some time ago, a few years ago now, made this wooden quick release plate for the camera, and it actually fits really well. So I need to do at least as good as that. It always seems to be the way of things that the thing that you want, the tripod in this case, is the thing that you're working on. Anyway, let's set it up in the vise and I'll come back then. Well, let's set up with two parallels and the block pressed against the protractor, and that'll give me my angle. It's all set up now. I've adjusted the stroke. I can run this at full speed, which is 122 strokes per minute. Let's get started. We'll start with just a scrape off the top. Well, that's gone pretty well, so I'll put a big cut on now. Well, it's somewhere about now that the file sounds like the better option, because I didn't get it tight enough and the tool pulled it up and over and has marked this end. So I've turned it round, got it tighter, and we'll try again. Well, that looks like it's worth a try. It's going to need more off on the side I've just done, so let's do the other side and then come back to the first side after. Okay, this will be the last cut on this side, hopefully, and we'll try it in the tripod again. This is taking a bit more effort than I would really like. Well, after a lot more messing about than I would have liked, we're there. Let's try it in the tripod again. Well, here we are. This is the finished item. It's got nice surfaces on it. Let's just put it in. I know it's going to fit because I've just tried it, obviously. Come on, work, work, work. Oh, there we go. Okay. That job is now done. Okay, now we can turn our attention to the second job. I got these from eBay, one 10mm and one 15mm to suit, such as this, and it's going to be a camera stand. So obviously this is a magnetic base from a DTI. So what I need to do is to machine a bigger flat on here, try to show you, a bigger flat on the top, and then I'll tap it 1/4-20 to suit a camera fixing, and I'll put a sort of swivel ball on the top there. Okay, so let's machine this one in the shaper. Okay, we're set up there. Quick job this one, hopefully. Start the machine up. Put on a bit of a cut to start us off. Set it going. Set the traverse going. Well, that's given me a big enough flat to put a 1/4-20 on. Okay, well that's both jobs finished. I hope it helps to show how versatile a shaper can be. Yes, okay, it took me a bit of time, but it's a good job in the finish. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching Haxby Shed.